Good day, sir. For this video, I will perform the lashing Jeep vehicles. So for the equipments that I use is lashing spot and lashing straps. So this is the Jeep vehicles that I use and those equipment that spot and straps. So for this video, I will demonstrating how I lash my Jeep vehicles. We go to another side. Done, sir. So this is how I lash my Jeep vehicle. Also, to secure our Jeep vehicle, we need to tighten up all lashing to prevent those accidents in the vessel. That's all, sir.